I'm so excited about this. This kit, first of all, is the same size. Look, same size. So it's going to fit in your fabric boxes, right? But it's deeper. See how much deeper it is? Because originally we did this one and I said, no, that's not enough flowers. We have to do more. So here we go. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to open this up. You're getting 4 colors and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shapes. 4 colors, 5 different shapes. Let me just tell you, I don't even know how many are in here. Let's look. I'm not going to, don't quote me on this because what if they mess it up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like 8, but look, remember how I told you, you squeeze it and then look, it like holds it. Isn't that cool? But it could hold just 1, 2. So you are getting lots of flowers. I'm not going to even try to count because that would be crazy. Jill, we will be getting the stencil binders on our website soon. They are on order. Okay, love? So there we go. That is the flowers. You're getting 5 different shapes. Honey Bear, no, get that from her, please. 5 different shapes, but you are getting a billion, and don't quote me on the billion. You are getting a billion little two colors of pearls and 2 colors of diamonds. Now, of course, they're not real diamonds, but anything sparkly in my life is a diamond. And you are going to be able to make your own felt flowers. So if I want to get this, you don't have to use your tweezers to get this, but if I want to use that one, and then I want to get this one, and I want to do different things. So I get to mix and match and make my flowers. So let's see, I'm not going to do it right now, but look, I can add that right there. Look at that. Okay. And then let's get a diamond over here, and we're going to grab this one. So these tweezers really do help. You could also use the picker tool that from my other bow embellishments. So watch that. So I don't sell this separately. So if you got the bows, you're going to love this because it will pick them up also. Right there, and just drop that on right there. Look how cute that is. So this you get, I don't even know how many. Kenny, how many is 8 times 5? That's 40, right? So that's 160, roughly 160 felt flowers. Then I have no idea how many of these, a billion. Not really a billion, but you know what I mean, right? So you're getting pink. Let's grab one. Come on, grab one. Grab one. There we go. So look how cute this is, you guys. So you're going to be able to make your own felt flowers. You are also getting your glue. Now, it all comes, can you fix my comments, please? It all comes in a cute little handy dandy storage container, which I absolutely love because you know I'm all about storage now because of my BFF. And look at that. And then we're going to close it up, but watch this. It has extra ridges on here, so I can shake and wrap. Sorry, close your eyes because it's going to get like all weird. But look, shake, 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 upside down, shake, shake, shake. Those pieces are not going anywhere because there's extra ridges in the lid. So they're not going to go anywhere. Oh, 380 gem pieces, Anna said. Okay, and can I just say, I'm sorry to whoever had to count those. Thankfully, it was not me. That's a lot. Oh, man. Yeah. So let me just tell you, you guys, I'm so excited about this one. Now, you can add your label maker to put it on the side here. Yes, it fits in your fabric boxes from the Stamps of Life. And we had them on HSN briefly. I'm trying to get them back on HSN because, you know, they didn't even get to go on the air. They sold out too fast. So this is felt flowers. They are felt. So when you use felt flowers, and let me show you, I have a couple samples. When you use felt, it adds a different texture to your project. It adds a different depth, a different wow factor. It's just extra fun. So here we go. You can also, whoops, wrong one. You can also put epoxy dots on them if you want. So this one has epoxy dots on it. So you don't have to use the gems if you don't want to, but look how cute that is. Here's another one on the little sandals. Is it double them up? Look how cute that is to double them up. Here are some, oh, you know what? Oh yeah. No, this is not the right one. That's not the right, I put it in the wrong path. Look at this. What? Look at those flowers. These are doubled up. So pretty. So gorgeous. Look at that. I love that. Here's another one on the octagon. Look at those flowers, you guys. Remember, you're getting 5 different versions. Oh, okay. There you can see a little bit better that inside card base. I mean, that die. Remember how I told you it's hard to see? Isn't that gorgeous? But look how fun that is. So this one, I'm telling you guys, I have a feeling this one will sell out. I'm just warning you. I like to warn you. Do I think it'll sell out before I go on the air? I don't know. But I never say don't buy it right away, because one time I did that and it blew up in my face. But the felt flowers item number. Felt flowers, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Item number. How come I cannot find it? Oh, there it is. Item number 925003. 925003. It does come with the glue. It does come with the reverse tweezers. So you're getting everything you need to make your items pretty. And you get a cute little container. I'm telling you guys, I love containers. Just love anything. Now, we are going to put that off to the side, because now is another one that I'm just telling you, I tested and tested and tested and finally got something I liked. Yes, you can put the items. Thank you. Dream May. You can put the items in your cart at HSN, but it does not guarantee that you will get it. But at least you'll remember what you wanted, right? So it doesn't guarantee you get it, because it's like if you go on Black Friday. Remember, we used to get up extra early and like go to Target the day after Thanksgiving. And let's say you put a dollar TV in your cart and you're walking around and you're like, I want to go get some lunch. And you left your cart with the dollar TV inside, just sitting in the store, and you went and got lunch and came back. If they sold out of those TVs on the shelf, somebody's going to come grab that one that's in your cart, right? So it's the exact same thing, but online. So you can keep it in your cart. It's not guaranteed, but at least you'll remember what you fell in love with, right? And that's really important, because I don't know about you, but my memory is like shot to pieces, right? It's like, I cannot remember. I had to ask Ken what somebody's name was that I've seen like 400 times. And I'm like, I can't remember her name all of a sudden. It's like, it's right here, but I can't get it. So if you fall in love with something, put it in your cart to keep it safe for your memory, not necessarily for purchase, because there's a chance, but okay, just warning you. Now on the flower kit, let me tell you, they did order a good amount of that one because they knew it was going to be popular. The lowest numbers are the Octagon set that I showed you, I think, first, and the thank you card, and the shakers. The shakers, they ordered the lowest amount of all the items. Just saying. Okay, moving on. This is the last item. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I've been working on this one for a long time. This is not open. Not open all the way. Okay, comes in a box. Is that okay? I was gonna wonder if that was gonna be sharp enough. So please make sure you give us a like and a thumbs up and a share and all that good stuff, because the more likes we have, the more winners we're gonna have in a couple minutes. After I show this item, we're gonna do a chat contest and we will have some winners. So please. Oh, Chris said HSN will send you an email when quantities start getting low. There you go. That's what you do. So put it in your cart, then you'll be ready. And then if they start saying warning, warning, then you know you got to jump, right? Okay. This was a labor of love, but I made it for myself. One of the problems I have is I was with Tiffany. We went overseas for 11 days. Tiffany is my best friend. She used to own Totally Tiffany. I said, I kept finding things at this convention. I kept saying, oh, I really like that. And she's like, but Stephanie, can you sell it? Because I have a problem of buying something because I want it, and then I have to buy a whole bunch of others to put on the website. So this one, I don't know why I'm telling you that, because it didn't really make sense to the whole story. Anyway, this is exciting. This is item number 925019. It is the embellishments and binder. Now, I know a lot of you fell madly, deeply in love with our stencil binder. And I thought I had, here.